here you can see this website send me 0.65881346 TRX. You can check out today's date, normal payment. So this is paying instant. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel UBK Tech. I hope you all are fine. So I am here with new earning video with payment proof. I will show you the all process how you can earn from this website. You can get 16 Bitcoin Satoshi every 15 minutes without any work via Termux. So don't skip video, otherwise you can't understand and script can get error. So let's move to our video. First off, you have to guide website link given description. You can directly go from there. Okay, so here you can see the interface of this website. This website totally new and high paying website. I will show you the payment proof as well. And you don't have need to work on this website manually. This website support many cryptocurrency in faucet pay. Okay, so first off you have need to create account. So just click on register to create your account. Just provide here your email address, your username, password, then confirm password, solve here captcha, then just click on register. Your account will be created. After create account, just login your account and verify your email address to get withdrawals. Okay, here you can see my account is login successful. So first off I will show you the payment proof, how you can get withdraw, then I will describe how you can earn. Okay, here you can see I have available 5850 tokens which I totally earned from Termux. I doesn't work manually. Okay, so just claim daily faucet. Okay, it's daily your claim. Okay, you can claim without any work. Okay, it's one time daily basis. So here's the given currency in which you can get withdraw: USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, TRX and Zcash. Okay, so in Bitcoin there is the high amount to get withdraw, minimum 10,000 okay tokens. Okay, here you can see minimum 20,000 tokens, but I don't have available right now. Okay, so I will get withdraw in Tron faucet pay because it's low amount. It's only 1,000 tokens. You can earn within a 2 claim 1,000 tokens. It's not a big deal. Okay, here you can see I earned 0.65 TRX within a 1 hour. You can also earn unlimited with Termux. You don't have need to work while sleeping. You can also earn. Okay, so I will get withdraw in Tron. So just select currency in which you want to get withdraw. Okay, select it, put here total token. Okay, it's menu, it's automatically sent. Okay, then just provide here your faucet pay email address. Don't use any other wallet, just use faucet pay. If you don't have faucet pay, link in description, you can create account. Okay, it will be paid instant. Just provide here your faucet pay email address. Okay, then just click on withdrawal. Let's see. Okay, here you can see good job, 5,850 tokens sent in my faucet pay account. So let's check in faucet pay account we received or not. Then I will further tell you how you can run this website in Termux. Okay, here is my faucet pay. So just wait to reload my faucet pay account. Okay, go to the home screen. Overview. So okay, here you can see I have received 0.0585 USDT. So let's, okay, here you can see this website send me 0.65881346 TRX. You can check out today's date, normal payment. So this is paying instant without any work. So you can also work on this website. Okay, so you can also use this website without any work. Okay, so now go back to the website, then I will describe what are the earning method and how you can earn without any work. Okay, so just click on menu bar. Okay, here is again many option, but here is the auto tube faucet. You can earn auto faucet. Okay, here you can see. First of all, I will show you how much they are paying per claim. Okay, here you can see every 15 minutes this website paying 450 tokens, which equal to 16 bitcoin satoshi. It means every 15 minutes you will get 16 bitcoin satoshi. Okay, you don't have need to open this website direct. You can run this website in Termux without opening or without using your internet. Okay, so just click on dashboard. Okay, so now how you can run this website in Termux. To run this website in Termux, you have required just script file link in description. You can directly go from there. And one thing, when you go to the download script file, just click on any one ad to help us financially, because we earn from our website. So just click on any one ad, it will not any cost, so you can help us. Just click on ad. Okay, after downloading script file, just open your any explorer apk which you use. Okay, then go to the download folder where you download your script file. Okay, here you can see script file in zip format. First of all, unzip it, so long press on script file, then click on more and click on extract. Now click on OK. Script file unzip successful, then open unzip folder, then again open. Here you can see cfg.php configure file, so just open it. Okay, so now here you have required user agent and website cookies, so we'll capture from http canary. So go back and open your http canary. Then first of all, link your web browser which you use, and if you are a new user using Canary first time, install CS certificate from setting. If you don't know how to install CS certificate, video link given description, you can check out. Then just click on start and open website dashboard. Then just reload your website. It will get sometime it's not captured. So if Canary is not working to capture cookies in your mobile phone, it mainly not work in Android 10, 11 and 12 variant. So you can use Q browser as well. If you don't know how to use Q browser, you can comment down in the comment section, I will create. Okay, so just here you can see cookies are not capturing. So if cookie not capturing, just stop Canary, stop, then start again, then reload again, it will be captured. Okay, so just wait, try again and again, it will be captured. Okay, here you can see reload getting time, it means cookies are capturing, so just wait for complete reload. Okay, here you can see reload is completed and all cookies captured successfully. Now just open Canary, open, then stop Canary, click on three dots, then click on filter. Now server host, so find here forefaucet.com. okay, here you can see, so just check it, then go back, again back. Here you can see the dashboard, so just open your dashboard file, just slide right. Here you can see the user agent, just long press on user agent, just copy it back to the script file, then just click on edit and paste here your user agent, then paste, save. Now go back to the Canary, slide left. Here you can see the cookies, just long press on cookies copied back to the Termux script file, then just paste here cookies, paste, then save. Now go back, then again back. Okay, then long press on folder, click on more and click on properties. Now click on copy full path. Okay, script location copied successfully. Now go back and open Termux. So if you're a new user using Termux first time, install basic command first. Basic command provided on my Telegram channel, you can copy from there, or you can DM me on Instagram, I will provide you there. Okay, so now continue your process by following my method. cd space paste the script location, then enter ls, enter, then type php bot space bot.php, then just press enter. Okay, so now here you have required password link provided here are also given in description. You can copy this link and short it in your browser, you will get your password. Okay, then just copy password and paste here password, then just press enter. Okay, password true, then again type php bot.php, then just press enter. So now just wait. So if you still not subscribed to my channel, so subscribe my channel for latest upcoming pen proof and Termux videos. So must subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest update and latest video. Okay, so now back to the Termux. So just wait, login successful, wait for connect your account. Okay, here you can see login as my username. Okay, here is the showing my balance 0 because I got withdrawal to show you the payment proof. Okay, so here you can see timer is started, so just wait for 900 seconds, 15 minutes, then you will get 450 tokens which equal to 16 Bitcoin Satoshi. So just wait for timer. Okay, here you can see timer is completed. So here you can see my balance also increased. I got 450 tokens which directly added in my balance. So here you can see it is working successfully. If you want to watch more videos like this, so subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to all for getting latest update. Also like video to motivate me, and Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care.